Alright, this is the red-headed woodpecker trail. And I'll start and Madeline will follow. This is a trail where you go below me. You go below. Go ahead. There she goes. Around the trail and comes back over there. Here comes Benjamin. Easy, buddy. Okay. And I can barely keep up with them. So, there's Benjamin over there. So if I take shortcuts though, I can catch them. There's the trail, that's Benjamin in front of me. That's Benjamin up there. Nice job, Benjamin.
Taking the cheer away.
And that is red-headed woodpecker. When you hear Benjamin talk about it, that's what it is, and he's a little shredder. Say hi to your dad.